What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every Wednesday and every Saturday. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get this look. I posted it on my Instagram and a lot of people liked it, so I decided to make a video. And yeah, so yeah, if you're not following me on my Instagram, make sure to follow me. It's Sam Veras with 2 M's. I'll have it on the screen somewhere, and I also have it in the description box so you guys can follow me. So yeah, I'm just going to jump right into the video now. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the Essence I Heart Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Primer, and I'm going to put this all over my eyelids and blend it using my finger. Then I'm going to take the Morphe 35O, and I'm going to take that bright orange, and I'm going to use that as a transition shade. So I'm going to put that in my crease and on my outer corner, like outer V kind of. And then I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm taking this really bright pink, and I'm putting that right below the orange so that it still peeks, so the orange still peeks through. And then I'm also going to put that like on the inner and outer corners of my lid as well. And between each shade, I'm going to take a fluffier blending brush, and I'm just going to make sure that there are no harsh lines, and I'm going to blend. Then going back into the BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to take this orange, and I'm going to put that where I put the orange from the Morphe 35O palette, just to intensify the orange a little more and make sure that it doesn't get lost in the pink. And then I'm taking this purple shade, and I'm putting that on the inner and outer corners of my eyelids just to deepen it up a little bit. Now I'm going to take this darker purple, and I'm going to do the same thing to intensify the purple a little bit more. So now I feel like the pink kind of got lost in like the purple and orange. So I'm going back in with that pink, and I'm going to put that again into my crease. So now I'm going with this blue color, and I'm going to put that in the center of my eyelids. Normally when people do halo eye, they put concealer there, but I tried that and I felt like it was a little too harsh. Like I don't feel like it blended as easily with concealer on it, and I felt like it was just like a harsh box in the middle of my eyes, and I thought it looked better if I didn't put concealer. But if you want to put concealer before you do this step, be my guest. I just thought it blended better. And I also go back and forth with the purple and the blue just so it doesn't, so like the blue's not too harsh and doesn't overpower the purple, but I don't want the purple being too harsh and overpowering the blue, if that makes sense. And then I'm going back in with that orange from the BH Cosmetics palette because I feel like it got a little lost. And now I'm putting it where I put the same orange from the Morphe 35O. I actually put both of them in there just so it blended better. Now I'm taking my L'Oreal Voluminous False Fiber Lashes Mascara, and I'm just coating my lashes with this. If you guys have any suggestions on what lashes I should get, comment them down below, because I just don't know anything about lashes, to be honest. And yeah, I just want something like wispy and pretty, but not too expensive. Now I'm taking that orange again from the Beige Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to put that on the outer half of my lower lash line. I'm not a big fan of putting anything on my lower lash line, just because like I feel like it's really uncomfortable for me. I don't know why, but I don't like to. But I just did it for this video. I also feel like it makes my bags look worse, so I choose not to do it. But I still did it, only a little bit. It's not really noticeable, to be honest. I could have went without doing it. But yeah. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really like this look. Like, I'm living for color now. You guys are going to be seeing a lot more color on my channel. And yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below any video suggestions. You can DM me on Instagram any video suggestions. Sam Veras with 2 M's. I'll have it on the screen again. And in the description box. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload, which is every Wednesday and every Saturday. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say, guys.